Hi there, Uncle Bill here. Oh, we started this little project 4 days ago, and even though it only takes about 30 minutes to do it, you gotta wait 24 hours for the paint to dry each time. So we painted this thing 3 different times. It's got 3 beautiful coats of paint on it. It's a little dirty. I wish I did a better job of showing you what it looked like before I started, rather than right going into spraying it with a hose. So you didn't even really see it, but this is what the finished product looks like. What y'all think? Got the broke one up there. I got some crack fill that comes in. I'll go ahead and take care of that when it comes in. It's no big deal. The ants work really fast. See, they already got little dirt miles in here. Didn't waste no time. What y'all think? Yeah, she's good to go. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button. Share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Peace.